Exploring English literature, applying genre knowledge for better understanding. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series on English reading comprehension strategies. Today, we're going to explore a crucial part of making predictions in English literature: applying your knowledge of literary genres and conventions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use this knowledge to anticipate what might happen next in a story or a novel, making your reading experience more engaging and enriching. Literary genres are categories that define a piece of writing. They include forms such as novels, short stories, poetry, and plays, and types such as fantasy, mystery, romance, science fiction, and more. Conventions are the typical features associated with these genres. For example, mystery stories usually involve a crime and a detective, while romance novels typically have a love story at the core. Understanding these genres and conventions is vital because they help set up expectations for readers. We can use these expectations to make predictions while reading, which is a vital part of reading comprehension. Now, let's move on to applying this knowledge. If you're reading a science fiction novel, you might predict that the story could involve advanced technology, extraterrestrial life, or a future setting. Similarly, in a mystery, you might anticipate that there'll be clues to decipher and a plot twist towards the end. As you read, constantly ask yourself questions based on your genre knowledge. For example, what sort of challenges might a character in a fantasy world face? Or, what might be the big revelation in this mystery novel? The more you familiarize yourself with different genres and their conventions, the more accurate your predictions will become. Conventions also play a huge part in predicting plot developments. For instance, in a tragedy, the hero often has a fatal flaw that leads to their downfall. Knowing this convention, you might predict a negative outcome for the main character. Similarly, if you're reading a comedy, you could predict humorous misunderstandings or comical situations. Remember, conventions aren't just limited to plot elements. They can also pertain to character archetypes, setting details, themes, and narrative structure. So there you have it. Using your knowledge of literary genres and conventions is a powerful tool in making predictions and enhancing your reading comprehension skills. As always, the key to improvement is practice, so keep reading and applying these strategies to become a more skilled and intuitive reader. Thank you for joining me today. Happy reading, and we'll see you in the next video.